Clash Detective, the very powerful tool and one of the most important in the program, because with it we can find the clashes, find the intersections, and really understand what's really wrong with our model, in our project. And this tool is located on the home panel, and this one, Clash Detective. And so let's start it. Let's open the file, and our materials 6 example NWF file. Let's open it. Okay, it's the same like in previous training about the timeliner. And in this video we're going to find out the main idea. Go to Clash Detective one and let's make a new test. Add test. Let's name it test 1. And first let's select what we want to test. We can test one model to another one part of model with another part of model if we need. But in our program we're very lucky because we have sets and we can check some part elements. In fact, let's go to the first part of elements, it will be structural ones. Let's go to one structural floor, concrete and metal desk, and then let's use the Shift Hold button to take all the sets, and we can select them, and we're going to use all these elements here. Okay. And from outside we want to check it with the mechanical equipment to the first floor. And let's go to the mechanical equipment, this one, right button, select with these elements. Okay. And now I want you to take all these elements and all these sets, and we're going to check the test between them. And then let's set settings like hard, known, 1 mm, and this gap should stay. Okay, in the next videos we will talk about all these things. And then run test. And now we have 8 clashes. The first one, the second one, and let's press escape. The first one, and we can see the clash. We can take even the element if we want, and the next one, and we can even with this button we can view and to get information where it is in the model. Okay, so we've got 8 clashes, and then we can make a report of it. Report, and we can choose the contents of the report and include the statuses. Statuses are the things in results panel. Here the status. And then let's choose the type of report, the current test, and the format HTML. And then write report. Press write, and I'll write it in this folder, test 1, and it's pretty small. Then I go to this folder and let's try it. And as you can see in browser, we've opened it, and now we can see the clash report, and for every clash we have a small picture and information about the clash, the distance between elements, the clash point, and the element ID. One of the most valuable things, the item name and the element ID. And then we can find this element in the Revit and so on. But we know that element ID in Revit and element ID in Navisworks are different. We have learned it in one of the first chapters of this course. And here we can see pictures and some information about the clashes. And then we can save this file. Okay, let's save it. Then close it. And let's go back to the folder. And so in our example, we have Very simple thing. We have clashes between structural elements and mechanical equipment. So let's go to mechanical equipment in this field and go to modify it and take this model. Copy it and then go here and let's paste it. In this model, which we've just copied, we have moved elements already moved and there will be no clashes. Okay, let's paste and replace. And let's open in Navisworks again our model. Navisworks, an example. But the NWC file, the MEP file was changed, and Navisworks will find out it and it will tell us that something is wrong in the model. Something changed, not wrong, but changed. Okay, and we see the site. The model of test have changed since actually was last run, and so it means that we should take it and then run it again. And now all the clashes are resolved because we've got a new model, and let's check it. We can take this element and then we can see that there is no clash now between them. To another one, and no clash at all. And the new status. So it's a main workflow for this tool. But this tool is very powerful and has a lot of settings and opportunities, and we are going to look through all of them during the next maybe 10 small videos.